Welcome to our educational YouTube video where we'll delve into the fascinating world of 5 popular farm animals and discover their unique features. Join me as we explore the diverse characteristics of these amazing creatures. Let's start with the iconic cow. Cows are gentle giants known for their distinctive black and white markings. These ruminants have 4 stomachs, allowing them to efficiently digest tough grasses. Not only do they provide us with nutrient-rich milk, but they also play a crucial role in agriculture by producing beef for consumption. Next on our list are chickens. These feathered friends are prized for their ability to lay eggs and control pests in the farmyard. Chickens come in various breeds and colors, each with its own unique characteristics. Did you know that chickens are omnivores, enjoying a diet of grains, seeds, insects, and even small rodents? Now, let's talk about pigs. These intelligent animals are known for their love of mud baths and their exceptional sense of smell. Pigs are efficient converters of food into meat, making them valuable for pork production. They are also highly social creatures that form strong bonds within their group. Last but certainly not least, we have goats. These agile climbers are renowned for their curious and mischievous nature. Goats are browsers, feeding on a variety of plants and shrubs. Their keen sense of balance allows them to navigate steep terrain with ease, making them valuable for vegetation control on farms. And there you have it, 5 popular farm animals with their unique features. From the milk-producing cow to the woolly sheep, each of these animals contributes to the rich tapestry of agriculture. Thanks for joining us on this educational journey, and be sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of farming.